Hello everyone, I'm Larry Carson with MarineMax Charleston, and today we would love to showcase the 85 Ocean Alexander motor yacht. Guys, as you can see, this is a beautiful boat. It is a 4-stateroom boat with cruise quarters in the stern of the boat. And as we walk down the boat, you're going to see the entrance. You've got a couple of ways. You can drop the stairs once you're at dock, or you can step aboard on the swim platform and you'll have dual staircases that'll come in to the rear of the boat. Now the door that's open on the back is in a secondary entry into the cruise quarters on the back of the boat. And then up on your Flybridge, where you see the captain and his mate, is where your dinghy would go, which they have the davit up top. And then just aboard, we're now in the rear lower cockpit area of this beautiful yacht. And as you can see, the workmanship, the finish on the boat is phenomenal. You actually have your rear docking station back here, so when the captain comes in, he can be at the back of the boat as he backs it into a slip. Around here. And now, as we will enter the salon. As you walk through, you can see how beautiful this boat is. Around. Your dining set up for 8. As we move forward, your day head for your guests. And as we come forward, you'll see the lower station for the captain. It is electronics. And as we pan to the right, you will see your common dining area. And now we move to the galley. You have the suspended cabinet above, beautiful marble countertops, all Jenn-Air appliances throughout the boat, wall oven, cooktop, dishwasher, trash compactor, very large sink. You can see on the forward deck from here, the lounging setup for your guests, the sun worshipers, as you move forward. Now we have an inside entry to move up into the Flybridge. Folks, now as we move down from the galley and lower helm area, we're going to transition downstairs into all your staterooms. First, we'll go forward. This is a VIP stateroom. On many boats, this would be your master. It has its own private entry into a beautifully finished head and large stand-up shower. Nice big flat screen TV out of the way. Large closets, cedar lined. Then we'll move aft. Now we have 2 guest staterooms. They're set up in 2 different configurations, but both can be the same. You can set them up as double beds for your couples, as you see in this one, and you still have your cabinet. They also have their own private head with a shower, and the twin to that is set up as twin bunk beds. All that would have to happen to make this room just like the other is to take this bed on my left will move across, and there is another cabinet sitting in that corner. So it can convert whether you have couples or if you're taking children aboard that want to sleep in separate areas. And again, their own private head. Now, as we moved aft in the boat, beautiful marble inset here in the floor as you move back to your master. Folks, this is beautiful. This is a full king-size bed, and as you can see, the finish on the boat is phenomenal with all of the woodwork. Now we have it currently stuffed with some gear, but you have a walk-in cedar-lined closet. There are lots of drawers in here as well. Large screen TV. And another very large closet here as well. The vanity area here is currently open. And then you have two full heads on each side here. So you can see out. What a view from even here. And we can move around the bed. Just a duplicate on the other side. Before we transition to the Flybridge, here's also a place to put a lot of gear. When your guests come aboard, they can put all of their suitcases in there as well. One other place before we leave the hallway, you do have a full-size washer and dryer here by Miele. Very high end. So now we're going to head down to the cruise quarters. And this is accessed from right outside of the rear salon. You have two ways in. The rear of the boat, as we saw earlier, and then down the staircase here. They have a nice settee. This table will double in its size. It's folded in half. Have a nice galley for your crew. Television. Right now we're using this as a storage locker, but it does convert into another bed. And look at the engine room. Incredible. It's so clean. And as we move aft, you'll see the exit back out onto the rear swim platform. Nice head and shower for your crew. And now we'll move up into the Flybridge. Here's your outdoor bar area. Now we do not currently have little bar stools in place. They are placed in a spot at the owner's of the owner's choosing, which would be right around the bar area here. Move forward. Look at these huge displays for navigation. Full on with the cameras. This one's on the aft. Looking at the aft deck. Looking forward. And we're at the Charleston City Marina, by the way, guys. So what a beautiful view up here. I'm going to take advantage of that while we're here. And while our crew is setting up their gear here as well. Huge tables for entertaining guests, as well as beautiful loungers facing forward, as well as a matching set for the rear. These are in the down position. The ones forward we're laying in the recline position. This is just an enormous area. One last place we'll look is you'll see the barbecue grill here as well. And then we also have a sunshade that they're putting up right now to give you additional shade for the rear. You see the area where the dinghy goes. What a beautiful view out here today. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Again, my name is Larry Carson with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions, we can be reached at 843-747-1889 or